Home is where our stories begin. Every photo tells a story of family, love, and time. These moments, though years apart, capture the simple beauty of growing up, surrounded by the people and even pets who make life meaningful. Now, let's go back to 2014 on my birthday. This photo was taken on August 20, 2014, during my birthday celebration with my father. Following the rules of thirds, we are placed near the top middle of the frame as the main subjects, with a birthday cake in front. The vertical lines of the wooden background creates a simple, rustic look, while the green of my shirt and the light blue frosting add color contrast. So this photo captures a joyful and memorable moment between me and my father. Just a few weeks later, another moment was captured, not during a party, but in the comfort of our home. This photo was taken on September 17, the same year, 2014, showing me with my mother and father relaxing at home. We are the main subjects, positioned on the center left, following the rules of thirds, which balances the image with a plain brown wall on the right, so that this picture captures a simple and happy family moment together. Years pass, and our family moments grow bigger and even more meaningful. This photo was taken on August 13, 2022, during my grandmother's 64th birthday celebration. Following the rules of thirds, our family is placed at the lower part of the frame, while my grandmother and her green dress as the main subject near the center. So the red and white balloon arc and the lines of the decorations add a festive touch, so that this picture captures a joyful family moment filled with love and celebration. Now, a year later, the same warmth returned, but in a quieter, more personal way. This photo was taken on July 16, 2023, during my grandmother's simple birthday celebration with just the two of us. We are the main subjects, seated closely in the lower right part of the frame, following the rule of thirds to draw attention to our faces. So the bright yellow of my shirt and the colorful background contrast with the blue curtain and red decorations. So while the vertical lines add balance, and this photo shows love and closeness shared on her special day. And even as time goes on, the love and life at home continue. This time from a new companion. This photo of my cat, Chuchay, was taken on June 9, 2025. She is the main subject, captured mid-climb of the tree, showing her playful and curious nature. So following the rule of thirds, her white fur and blue eyes are placed along the left vertical lines, standing out against the green leaves. It highlights Chuchai's adventurous spirit as she explored the outdoors. From birthdays and family moments to quiet days at home, these photos reminds me of how fast time moves and how important it is to treasure the people and even the pets who make life beautiful. Each frame tells not just my story, but the story of love that continues to grow with every passing year. And that would be all. Thank you for watching and sharing these memories with me.